guys, welcome back. It's your boy Tappy's Little Adventures, right?
About the car.
And I'm actually joined with exploring with Helen. A little bit different today, guys. Check this out. What an absolute beast. Guess what? We're staying here for at least 24 hours, guys. It's going to be awesome. Yeah, I've got my man sack on. We are going to just find somewhere out here now. Let's stir. Let's see where we can get to, guys. This is going to be outstanding, guys. I'm so excited.
There's Taffy's Little Adventures. Say hello, Taffy.
Hello, how do? Welcome, welcome,
We're
welcome.
going over there. Say hello, Helen.
Yeah, look, so Helen's made a journey out.
Yeah, so we're going to get set up and join us in a bit.
I did bring my gas.
You did?
Yeah, so I've got an extra one.
Right.
I wasn't sure, do you know, because I just kind of just threw it in my bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, and there's all my hammock stuff.
Yeah. Right, we start the car and get it set up.
Look, gloves.
Yeah.
They don't remember who. Right, guys, so as you can see, right, I bought myself, right, a new tent. It's a 2-man tent, but it's military spec, right? It looks absolutely phenomenal. I don't know how to set it up, not a clue. So here goes, right? So stay tuned. You can watch Tappy get a little bit stressed. See, that's quite big, isn't it? Where's your door?
There you go.
Where's your door?
Here.
Is it?
Yeah,
Right,
it's
so
here.
you want to put it that way then, don't you?
Which way?
Oh no.
No, because if you use it that way or that way.
Oh, it goes right across the front, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's sound then, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm going to have to just get mine set up here somewhere. Yeah. So.
Get round. No, thank you.
Hey?
No good, mate.
Hey?
Brick. No good.
Is it?
No. No brick. No good.
Oh.
Right, yeah, it's all brick.
What is?
Shut
Oh,
up.
let's see, it's all brick.
Yeah, what about here, dude?
This is all a bit brick. Platform. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, damn. Thought so, this is the brick wall. That's it.
Right, so this is what's going to happen, guys. We're going to finish this here and we're going to go find a new location because idiot here and idiot there, EWC, forgot to check back the ground. So, rule number 1 when you go camping, always check the ground. Rule number 2, always check what's above you in case a tree falls down, like a previous video. Link will be in the description. Anyway, peace out, and yeah, we're going to move to find a bit of a softer ground now, guys. Alright. Right, guys, so we are going to move away from this location. That would have been awesome as well, guys. So it looks like we're going to have to camp over here somewhere. Looks like EWC has already found, right, our location. So dude, is the ground acceptable for TL?
I'm not sure yet.
And that's the urban legend, if anyone's wondering.
Yeah.
Guys, things get that bad, we could just like hang each other. man tent, that was quite big, mate.
So we moved away from inside the cave now. Just come to this muddy bit here. That's where we're going to cancel now. New tent as well.
Yeah.
Should be as straightforward. The ground's beautiful.
Is it, yeah?
Yeah.
Is that just a one-man one?
Yeah, this is a 2-man. Believe it or not.
Were you going to put Will? No. We'll sit them, we'll leave them like on one side.
How you getting on, buddy?
Alright, yeah.
Good man, good man, good man. Mate, check them out. These are like, guys, these are like proper heavy duty. These are
Where's
awesome.
Will going?
Pardon?
Where's Will going?
We're not sure yet.
And that's the urban legend, if anyone's wondering.
Yeah.
Oh, you tit. So guys, when you don't have a rubber hammer, send Explore Helen to go and get you a knocking stick. But yeah, there you go. Right, so we'll leave them there a minute. Right, so that looks like the ends. Ah, I've got something to reboot. Right, so that's the ends.
sides.
Must be this side.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's your thing.
So, see, this is the only thing I don't like setting up. Do you know, a new...
Yeah. New tents.
Just anything new.
Yeah.
Takes forever, doesn't it?
Yeah. Just in a minute. It's a bit fingerless, isn't it? That side.
Oh, house full of face. Right, there you go. So Hitchman's not there. If anyone wants to know what that's called. I don't actually know. I never went with him, did I? Right, that's 2 of 6 done. Guys,
Just to get your head down, really.
that's all they're designed for, isn't it?
Yeah. Fantastic.
Fan dabby dozy. Fuck off. Excuse me, French. Right guys, so that's 3 done. I'm going to continue with the rest of them, and when I've done them, and then I'll go back round again. Right, so this goes in somewhere here. I don't know where. Oh, it could be that one. There you go. And that's the way the cookie crumbles, guys. So we'll have to lay that down just for a second. That might fall. So let's get this somewhere knocked in here with my amazing knocking stick that Exploring with Helen's got for me. See guys, see what I've got to put up with? She just thrown my drink at me, knowing that it's fizzy pop. That's amazing. Thank you.
You see that? I can't walk and I've walked all the way down there.
Yeah,
to
you...
get
Just shut up. Shut
You're
up.
so fucking ungrateful.
I'm not ungrateful. I can't drink that now, I'm gasping. Never mind, it's okay. Thank you. Hope your legs aren't hurting. Get well soon. Right guys, so as you can see, that is the tent all built up, 2-man tent, right? And just here we have got Out and About with Carl's little 1-man tent. How cool is this, guys? This is absolutely awesome. Anyway, I'm not interested in that 1-man tent. This is what we've come for, guys. Right, so let's make our way in, right? I don't normally show the entrance points, but you know how it is. Thought I'd just have a laugh and a giggle. Check this out, guys. This is amazing. Lots of room in there. Big enough for 2 people plus kit. There you go, guys. I'm going to get me a little blow up bed and I'm going to work my way in. Rightio, catch you in a bit. Right, so we're going to get a knocking stick again that Exploring with Helen has done. We're gonna... It does. And it does the trick, right?
Oh yeah, got it.
Don't these look like a broken duck?
Yeah.
Cool, aren't they?
Duckhead.
Okay, so... Oh. Quick release knots, just so they're quick and easy. So if I need to pull it down quickly, at least I can do it with just a pull of that bit of knot there, guys. We're getting somewhere, Skyer. Oh no, I could have well done with more. Where did me knocking stick go? Yeah. bastard, you. Hey? Right guys, so we're gonna venture in, I think. I think we should go down right down near the bottom though, and then walk through. Guys, I feel like Oliver Twist with me little lantern, like, look. I don't know how well this is gonna light up. But yeah, check this out, guys.
It's quiet now in here.
Oh yeah, it's a lot quieter in here. Whoa, that was close. Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow, guys, that was...
The DJ would be in.
DJ, that was nearly my grave. I nearly didn't see it. Guys, be careful when you're out exploring. Leave it to the semi-professionals. This is crazy. Look at the graffiti, guys. It's awesome. But yeah, so this is, guys, where we're actually going to be staying. Right, so we've got a little step here. So I'm going to look. Yeah, so I believe there's going to be more of those little drops. Yeah, look. Awesome. I'm going to walk through this bit. With a DJ saved my life. Emma loves Big Shaq. Oh no way, I love Big Shaq too. He's awesome. NBA player, isn't he? Yes, the Rave Cave. Danger, keep hot. Yeah, so guys, I just can't get over the sheer size of this place. Whoa, I'm sinking. Wow, just walked straight through it. Carl, you might be better off going around that way there, look. Okay. Madness, innit? So guys, this is pretty much where we're going to be staying tonight. Whoa, that, it's just crazy, guys, absolutely crazy. That like proper goes down. Whoa, brick. Two single towers, huh? That's crazy. Oof. Man. Oh man. Shit. Crazy, innit? Just pure crazy, like, and I know it's crazy. Oh, Jesus Christ, I thought I caught something then on camera, and I realised it was you. I was like, yes, got me first ghost apparition.
Oh, the fireworks, are they?
Yeah.
The big pack.
Yeah. Have you seen it just on that corner there? Look.
alright for a fire.
Yeah. Yeah, look, someone's mum's passed away.
Oh yeah.
Mum.
Oh.
No, Mum. Crap, innit?
Come here, didn't they? Your mum.
Yeah. It's the rave cave. Mum, you're probably still partying, Mum.
Yeah.
Rest in peace, soul.
I'll see her up there.
Yeah. I bet she's still partying, mate. Whoever that Mum is, Mum. Helen is setting up her stuff. Look, she's got her camp chairs out. Got this, look. Amazing little fire we got going on. Oh, and it smells amazing. But yeah. So there you go, guys. Got a little fire on the go, as always. Do you know what I mean? We are trying to use like the dead wood and stuff. We've managed to collect some. So it's not going to keep us going all night, but it'll keep us warm for the time being. But yeah, so there you go. Right guys, it's Toffee's Little Adventures. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. Boys are off to sleep.
Noises.
Oh man. There's like some spooky stuff going on here, man. I'm not even kidding. Anyway, that's day 1. Let's see what day 2 brings, yeah? Peace out. This is absolutely hilarious. I don't know if you can see me, but look up there, right? Urban legend has found a place and he's staying up there all night tonight. What an absolute guy. Oh, tonight's just going to be awesome. Anyway, that's it. I am actually going to sleep right now. Oh, we got a special guest, guys. Look who just turned up. I'm going to put my light bulb on. Check this out. Look who just joined us about an hour ago. Richie Wellix, here he is. It's our boy. How you doing?
Under my taff sheet.
Yeah, look, so guys, you probably noticed this from like previous videos. I'm pretty good for doing my bushcraft stuff. So anyway, he's going to tell you a little bit about his channel. I'm going to put a link in the description just below, and don't forget to subscribe to him.
So, I'm Richie Welch. Boom! That's basically how I actually start all my kind of channels, kind of talk. But anyway, caught me off guard here. But basically, urban exploring and just anything which I enjoy, really, which is mainly just urban exploring, really. So
there you go.
It.
Right then.
Very short.
That's it. Right, guys. It's absolutely amazing. Right. He's going to get his head down in the bushes, going to share his bush chucker trial stuff with him. Guys, look, absolutely amazing. So, this is what we're going to do, guys. We're going to go inside, we're going to try and get some footage. But look what I just spotted, tree swing. We're going to get on that in a minute. Right, it's going to be awesome. Right, so let's head in, guys. This is what we're going to do. Yes, guys, so we're actually at the rave caves. There's some awesome people knocking around. This is just crazy. Wow, look at that. Look. What does it say? Harvey C 2011. They must have got that, you know, with like a hammer and chisel or something, wasn't it? And they must have knocked it out. They spent time doing it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, definitely.
But look at the lines on that. It's pretty damn good, actually.
Oh, look, they've got like the old lettering.
Yeah.
So they've done it, do you know what I mean? So whoever it was, Harvey C 2011, if you're watching this video, you're absolutely phenomenal. Right, get in touch because I want to message you.
Matt L, can you finish it for him?
Oh, Matt L, you absolute penis sucker. You've been like graffitiing on our wall. And I know you're watching this video, you little penis.
You know,
I'm only joking.
Soul.
That's cool, that. Matt L, man. That's ace.
Yeah. Film through the book. 1955, that one, isn't it?
Mate, you can't even spell that out. How the hell did you see that? I know, mate, I'm joking with you. That's really cool, isn't it? It's proper smart. But yeah. Yes, mate. Oh, yeah, look. Shout out to some of these legendary people, military explorers in Lad Yorkshire, T420 Tom, the Paranormal Explorer. I can't read that down. But anyway, Yeah, Staffordshire 156 and Coast of Britain. I'm going to put the links in the description, guys. I'm going to just get them all in there if I can. I'm awesome like that. But yeah, guys, I don't know how well you're going to see because my source has obviously been dying because I used it all last night. Look, 3 pot name. Yeah, and the number. If anyone wants any, give me a call. This is just awesome, isn't it? Probably go round that one and then have a nose. Oh, it's ridiculous. It's not even nice. I've got bin bags in my bag as well, and it might feel something. Let's do it. Oh, we're gonna go there in a minute. Oh yeah, I was gonna, I know. You know what, like, we already pulled that big chunk after something. Yeah, so that's what we did. Oh well, I did. Because I was like, right, you good, and then you didn't know. You know, I was expecting these fruits to be a lot more bigger than they were. But they're like they're almost kind of hard, isn't it? See all the scratches and stuff. It's definitely like handmade, I reckon, this bit. Look how low this gets, you know. It's red. So, look what I got, and you guys thought I'd forgotten. Oh, that'll be Richie Alex, like, you know, being a little thug as always, forgetting to thingy his alarm. I'm gonna try and get on that, I think. This is gonna be hilarious. Whoa, this is where Taffy goes flying. Whoa, what? Got it. Oh mate, I hope this holds me weight. Guys, it's Taffy's Little Adventures. Yeah, so basically this is where that I've been sleeping tonight. So anyway, we're going to pack up and we're going to disappear. So thank you very much for watching. It's been an absolute pleasure having you all watching my videos, and that is just amazing, guys. So I'll see you all soon, and yeah, regular uploads now, guys, at 5 PM on a Monday. Alright guys, see you all soon. Peace.